The Asians?
And the Arab.
5 things you should never joke about on an airplane.
Number 1.
Ah! He's a terrorist! He's gonna blow this place down! Mr. Pilot Man, he's gonna blow this place down! Wait, what?
Yeah, I was just kidding.
You're so funny, man. You're funny.
But I didn't kill your father.
My father left my mom when I was really young.
I killed your mother?
My mom died a little while ago, too.
Your brother?
Yeah, I never really had any siblings.
Your friends? All your friends. I killed all your friends.
I never had any friends. Never had them.
Oh. Your coworkers?
Oh, thanks, dude. I've wanted to do that for so long, man.
Your cat?
Sprinkle? Oh, no!
Number 2. Number 2.
Alright, man, your life is going to end.
Oh, shh!
Give me your money.
I don't have any money. Oh, God, no, no, no! God, no! No! No!
Ha ha, just kidding. It's a toy gun.
It's a toy.
We're all friends, right?
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Good friends, I love you.
Yeah,
I don't really love you because that's gay.
Aw.
Number 3.
Hey, man. I wonder when the next terrorist attack's going down.
Yeah. Aye, number 4, laddies.
Hello folks, this is the pilot for Asian Arab Airlines letting you know that we will be landing soon. So just remain seated, especially you bad boys in the back, you naughty boys.
Hey, man, look, I can see the pilot.
Yo, man, I got like this laser pointer, man. So this is what we should do. When we're like landing, man, we should like try to shine this in the pilot's eye, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh God.
Yeah, that'd be so funny.
Number 5.
I have a really good idea.
Oh man, what is it?
Well, you know what? We can light a firecracker.
A firecracker, man?
Yeah.
Oh man, firecrackers? Yeah, we could put it in like the middle of the aisle, man.
Yeah.
And all the other people on the plane will be like, "Oh, dude, these guys know how to have fun, man."
You got that right,
Oh
man.
God.
Alright, let's light this
do
up.
it. Let's do it, man.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Let's do it. We lighten the cracker. Cause they're firecrackers. Yeah. Oh.
Bad boys.